Once upon a time, in the enchanting town of Willowbrook, there lived a young boy named Oliver. Oliver was known throughout the town for his boundless curiosity and his love for adventure. Every day after school, he would rush to the meadow behind his house, where he would embark on a new quest or explore a hidden treasure. One sunny afternoon, while wandering through the meadow, Oliver stumbled upon an old, dusty book hidden beneath a pile of fallen leaves. With trembling hands, he brushed off the dirt and opened the book to reveal its contents. To his amazement, the pages were filled with magical illustrations of faraway lands and mythical creatures. Excited by his discovery, Oliver decided to show the book to his best friend, Lily. Together, they pored over its pages, marveling at the wonders within. As they flipped through the book, they came across a map that seemed to lead to a mysterious island known as Ember Isle. Determined to unravel the secrets of Ember Isle, Oliver and Lily set out on their most daring adventure yet. Armed with the map and their boundless courage, they embarked on a journey across stormy seas and treacherous forests, facing challenges and overcoming obstacles along the way. After many days of travel, they finally reached the shores of Ember Isle. The island was unlike anything they had ever seen before, with towering mountains, lush forests, and sparkling waterfalls. But as they explored further, they discovered that the island was also home to a dark secret. Deep within the heart of the island, hidden beneath the tangled vines and ancient ruins, lay a powerful sorcerer named Malachi. For centuries, Malachi had been trapped in a state of eternal slumber, guarded by the magic of the island itself. But now, with Oliver and Lily's arrival, the spell had been broken, and Malachi was free once more. Determined to protect their home from Malachi's dark magic, Oliver and Lily embarked on a quest to find the legendary Crystal of Light, the only thing capable of defeating the sorcerer and restoring peace to Ember Isle. Along the way, they encountered allies in the form of talking animals, wise old wizards, and brave knights, each offering their help in the battle against Malachi. With their newfound friends by their side, Oliver and Lily faced off against Malachi in a final showdown atop the island's highest peak. With the power of friendship and courage in their hearts, they unleashed the magic of the Crystal of Light, banishing Malachi once and for all and restoring peace to Ember Isle. As they stood triumphantly amidst the ruins of Malachi's lair, Oliver and Lily knew that their adventure was just beginning. With the power of the magical book and their unbreakable bond, they would continue to explore new worlds and embark on daring quests, together forevermore. And so, in the town of Willowbrook and beyond, the legend of Oliver and Lily, the brave adventurers of Ember Isle, would live on for generations to come.